Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into health tracking app account, fast access step by step clearly. Start by downloading the health tracking app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, locate the icon on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. On the main screen, look for the login option. This is often labeled as login or sign in. Tap on the login option to proceed. You will now see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, look for a Forgot Password link. Tap this link to initiate the password recovery process. If you have successfully entered your login details, tap the Login or Sign In button. Wait a moment as the app verifies your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. You can also try closing the app and reopening it. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the app for optimal performance. If you're facing persistent issues, consider reaching out to customer support. Enjoy tracking your health with easy access to your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.